case. It's only that it's a pity as a dancehall artist first, really, this reach.
Yeah.
Because there's no way under life Jamaican police force would have been for the first time. Remember, this is a historical case, it's a history case.
Yes.
In the history of Jamaica. This is the longest case and the case where they use all possible technology in the world. The same technology where the federal agent use to convict all the people them where them carry to America. You have man in Jamaica will never go to America yet and them use these technology and convict them over there. The Canadian government use it also, Scotland Yards use it also, Switzerland, Europe, the whole of these people use these technology to convict their people that they have in custody.
Yes.
And the first time Jamaican government use it, if they lose that case,